Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play in the Taiwan server on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game to the right client. And as you launch your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store. And as you see it, just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, all you have to do is look at your right and select this option right here, account. And as you select it, you can see the list of servers on your screen. So all you have to do is just scroll down where you can see this Taiwan server right here. And to play in the server, you need to buy the server using your RP points. So if you don't have the RP points, you can just top up the RP points from the store. And as you top it up, you can just press on continue and buy the server and play on the server. So guys, that's how you play on the Taiwan server on your League of Legends. If you found our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.